Jobber versus Housecall Pro versus ServiceTitan. Which field service software is best? So let's start with a Jobber. This one is a simple, affordable, and built for small businesses. This one is best for small to medium field service businesses looking for ease of use and affordability. So, what is this? Jobber is a clean, user friendly platform that offers essential tools to manage your service business efficiently without overwhelming you. It's designed for companies that want streamlined scheduling, coding, invoicing, CRM tools in one place. And there are tons of features here that you can use. Now, the question is, what are the key features of this platform? So the key features includes drag and drop scheduling. This one is easy for managing appointments and dispatching. Codes invoices, payments. It generates estimates and get paid online. Client Hub, a self-serve portal where customers can approve codes and make payments. For team members in the field to track jobs and update statuses, it has mobile application. And for automation, it sends appointments, reminders, follow-ups, and job updates automatically. Now let's move on to the pros and cons. Pros, very intuitive for small teams, affordable pricing with great ROI, and then excellent customer support onboarding. While cons, limited customization or advanced analytics, and not ideal for large or complex operations. Let's move on to Housecall Pro. This one is all in one, scalable, and great for growing teams. Best for medium to large home service businesses, ready to scale with automation, CRM, and customer convenience features. So Housecall Pro blends powerful automation with a modern interface, helping home service businesses manage field, tech, payments, marketing, and even reputation, all from one place. And what are the key features of this Housecall Pro? Recurring jobs plus automations, great for maintenance contracts. Customer tax updates, this one is good for keeping up clients in the loop and allow online bookings. Built-in payments and financing options. Review requests and reputation management. QuickBooks integration plus reporting tools. Now, what are the pros and cons? Pros, smooth user experience for both office staff and techs, more advanced than Jobber while still user-friendly. This means the features is advanced rather than Jobber. Scales well as your company grows, and for the cons, can be pricey as your team size increases, and because of the features also, less customizable workflows compared to ServiceTitan. And last we have here is ServiceTitan Enterprise Grade Power for large complex field ops. So this one is best for large or multi-location service businesses needing deep integration, reporting, and end-to-end visibility. And ServiceTitan is the most feature-rich and powerful of the three. It's tailored for mature service businesses with complex needs. The features include advanced dispatch and routing, price book management, real-time analytics dashboards, call booking plus CRM, marketing tools, custom integrations plus APIs. The pros and cons. Pros, ideal for large, fast scaling service companies, incredible data visibility and customization, great for companies with inside sales or call center workflows, while the cons, steep learning curve, expensive, more suited for teams with 10 plus employees and complex operations. So as the final verdict, if you're looking for small cleaning or lawn care businesses, go for Jobber. If you're looking for a mid-size HVAC plumbing or electrical team, call Housecall Pro. For a large enterprise with dispatch center and 15 plus stacks, call ServiceTitan. Prioritizing client communication automation, go for Housecall Pro. Data-driven growth and control, go for ServiceTitan. And for budget-conscious solo operator, go for Jobber. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.